Buckle up, brother. Today we're at the grand finale truck show and this got more crust than your grandma's panties. Just kidding, there's a cool variety of trucks here, let's check them out. Here's an Advanced Design 5 window pickup. It has a nice stance on Ridler 695s. In the front it has disc brakes with 235 series tires on 17s. Out back it has 275s on 20s. Under the hood it has a small block with an Edelbrock Performer RPM intake manifold and valve covers. Inside video gauges, AC, and a retro style bench. We put each truck in separate chapters so you can easily skip the ones you're not interested in. This 1965 Ford belongs to Matt with Soulless Innovations. In the front, it has their 100% bolt-on front kit, and under the old cedar plank, it has their 90% bolt-on bag-over axle parallel 4-link with Watts system. Matt has 2 Flo Airride tanks with Airlift Performance 3H management and a Soulless Innovations built fuel cell. This 1967 C10 stepper is sitting on US Mag C10s. The bed has oak with stainless strips. It's pretty much stock inside with a tack and a homemade console. Check out this 1965 small window Chevy C10 rolling on American-made Detroit steel D-Town Smoothies with baby moons. It's powered by an LS with an aluminum radiator and has RAD Tech control arms up front. Out back, a bag on axle setup with a panhard bar and 2 Viair compressors with AVS for management. Inside, a blanket covered old school bench. Here's a 1967 Ford Bumpside for you. I mean, there's patina and then there's patina, and this one has both. It's slammed to the ground and it's on Billet Specialties sprint wheels. It has a Tanks Incorporated fuel cell, bag on axle 4-link with Watts, and Airlift Performance for management. Inside, a Forever Sharp Chrome Empire steering wheel and a rear seat from a King Ranch. Nick's 1972 Chevy C10 Ethel has a cam 350 with a turbo 350 tranny, Edelbrock 1406, a 373 rear end. Airlift Performance 3H for management with an infamous metal fab 4-link and a porterbuilt drop member. Some might call this second gen GMC rusty, but I prefer to call it patina. It just sounds better, you know, more refined. The red wheels really pop on this one. Chris's 1970 Chevy C10 is finished in Chevy 503 green paint on a stock powder coated chassis riding on Billet Specialties Legacy 2 wheels. He has an oak bed with stainless strips and custom 3-inch tubs. The interior is restored close to original with a bench seat. I just noticed that you hadn't hit the like button yet, just takes a second. It's powered by a Crate 350 with the ECP radiator, Sanderson headers, CPP brakes, and a turbo 350 tranny to a posi with Moser axles. This is a great example of a 1967 Dodge Sweptline D100. We don't see a ton of these at the shows, especially one this clean. It's on Ridler 695s. If you haven't checked out Steve Magg's YouTube channel yet, he has a couple of great videos on Dodge D100s in his Junkyard Crawl series. He's literally a walking automotive encyclopedia. I'll put a link in the description. I hope you get well soon, brother. Inside it's just a classic truck. Enough said. Under the hood, this V8 is clean enough to cook a taco on. This is Eclectic Art Photography's 1950 Chevy 3100 Ruby Rose. It's laid out on Detroit steel ambassadors with Viair compressors and Airlift Performance 3H management. His entire bed is bead rolled with panels to access everything. Inside he has dolphin gauges, but check out the bead rolling on the door panels. Even the sun visors are bead rolled sheet metal. That's just sick. Check out this cool 1953 Ford F100. Color is cool, the satin blue is almost electric. In the bed he has the weathered wood and the RAD cooler. Inside is pretty old school with a Snowden seat. Jason's 4th Gen Ford F100 brought some hardware home for the best under construction category. It has an 85 C10 front clip that allows it to leave its mark on the concrete. It's powered by a small block with an Edelbrock Intake and carb. You can check him out on Instagram at camber_killer. This is a cool 62 Chevy C10 on smoothies with a badass patina. In the back he has chains dangling and a bright chrome bumper. In the bed, engineered deck with the weathered look and stainless strips, Viair compressors with Airlift Performance management, a porterbuilt bag in front of axle with watts setup, and a Boyd's fuel cell. In the bay he's got a big boy with the Wilwood brakes. The interior is an old school kind of modern. AC leather bench with plaid inserts and matching visors, door panels, a horn ring wheel, and Dakota Digital gauges. This is a clean 2-door Suburban. Just check out the stance it has on these US Mags Hustlers. If you feel like you're getting value, subscribe so you don't miss an upload. It's powered by a 6-liter LS, but check out those CBF billet aluminum hood hinges. It has a modern interior with Autometer gauges, a double-din stereo, vintage air, power windows, leather buckets front and back with plaid inserts, matching door panels and visors. Here's a Pro Touring Chevy C10 on US Mags Rio Grandes with the exhaust exiting in front of the rears. The front has a narrowed and tucked front bumper and a Cal induction hood. In the bay, a big block with a wind blower, MSD ignition, AC, and a Wilwood master cylinder. So we came to the Poppy's Patina booth, and out front they have this Coyote swapped 1961 Ford F100 Unibody. The stance is rad. I like the old Ford tailgates and latches. They're just old school cool. Here's a better look at the Poppy's Patina catching some rays and at the 61 grill. It's on American Racing Drafts, and the air ride is adjusted by an AccuAir switch speed controller in the cab. And look at the Coyote under the hood. Inside, Dakota Digital VHX gauges, a Grant Formula GT wheel, vintage air, and a Snowden seat. This is just a clean 1967 Chevy C10. The gaps are even, the metal is straight. The stance looks good on the American Racing torque thrust wheels. I like the contrast with the black bed floor, chrome strips, and white bed sides. In the bay, Chevy's Vortec engine, Wilwood brakes, and a nice radiator cover. Inside, a black bench, vintage air, a Billet Specialties wheel, and Dakota Digital VHX gauges. Check out this cool 66 F100. Let me know what you think, but I'm a fan of logos and stuff painted on the doors, especially when it looks old and weathered. I don't know what kind of setup he has on this one, but check out his air tank. One thing I do love is smoothies for sure. Click here to see more badass trucks from the Lone Star Throwdown.